Here we have a Chamandaria safritzi, or a bamboo palm. So we've just noticed while we were servicing here, you can start to see some effects of Spider-Mite. It's just starting out. You'll notice Spider-Mite when the colony is kind of more mature, it'll start to web up around the plants. But if you take a close look while you're servicing and you see any like little salt granules, they look like salt, that is Spider-Mite. So a good way that we tell whether it's Spider-Mite or just dust is if you wipe the leaf with a wet paper towel and you get a brown stain rather than a darker dust stain, that's a good sign that it is Spider-Mite. So we'll continue to water it in with the rosemary oil, and next week we'll make sure we bring a horticultural oil to spray it with.